Hello and welcome to this episode of Low Budget Chef. Our recipe for today is smoothie. Sit back and relax. Happy viewing. Here's our banana, apples, avocado, pear. Here's coconuts, dates, palm. To start with our bananas. Then we add our coconuts. Then our date palm. Then we add our apples. Then we add little water. And then we add our avocado. Then we blend. And our smoothie is ready. You can see how thick it is. Our 3-liter smoothie recipe is ready. Always make sure you try our recipe at home. If you're going to be trying this at home, let us know in the comment section.
If nobody believe in you, at least make you believe yourself. If nobody encourage you, at least make you encourage yourself.